Ready for some science? Welcome to our universe.
Hi! Welcome to Alayna Hayla Universe! We're going to see why it's important to wash our hands properly with soap. For this experiment, we need a bowl and some water. And we need glitter and pepper. Let's start. I pour the water into the bowl. Then we add the glitter. And some pepper. Let's pretend the glitter and pepper are germs. Important to wash our hands properly with soap. Beep. It chases the germs away. Check it out. That's very cool. Thank you for watching our video. Please like and subscribe.